You scrolled past a video, didn't save it, and now it's gone. Or is it? TikTok actually saves up to 180 days of your watch history. Here's exactly how to find it. The main way to access your watch history is through your Activity Center. Open TikTok and tap your profile icon. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open your menu. Tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Activity Center. Now tap Watch History. You'll see every video you've watched for the past 180 days. You can scroll through, tap any video to rewatch it, or hit Select in the top right to delete videos from your history. Now here's a bonus method that's actually faster if you're trying to find a specific video. From the home screen, tap the search icon in the top right. Type a period in the search bar and hit Enter. Tap View Watch History. Your full watch history pulls up. You can even filter by watch to narrow down results by keyword. Just search a topic and tap the Watch tab above the results. This is great if you remember something about the video, a topic, a sound, a creator, but can't find it by scrolling. 2 methods done. If this saved you from losing a video forever, smash that like button. It genuinely helps. Subscribe for more TikTok tips every week and drop a comment if you got stuck anywhere. I read everyone.